Letter number 9. The other beak that I mentioned in the dal video, except this one has a dot above. Thal. Pronounced like the T and H in the word the. Remember, tha was pronounced like the T and H in the word thanks. Okay? Thal is pronounced the other way that the T and H are pronounced, which is the. The. So now we have dal and thal. They look almost the same except for the dot that I mentioned above the thal. And they connect the same way to letters. More about connection in a dedicated video. Can we form a word from the letters we learned so far? How about khudh, which means take. If you're addressing a male, it will be khudh. How about, let's use the alif and ba, dhab, which means melted. If the thing that melted is masculine, it's gonna be dhab. Okay, we say that this is dhab. If it's feminine, dhabat. Dhabat. Note how we used only the letters that we learned so far. Yeah, say dal and then with alif, ba, ta, the first 3 letters. Note also that mostly everything is Arabic is either masculine or feminine. There is no it in Arabic, okay? There's he and she, no it. We'll talk some more about that. So now, practice dal, and I'll see you in the next video.